There's a state where 1 hour feels like 10, where you move without forcing it, where every thought lands clean, sharp, precise, as if your mind suddenly upgraded itself to a higher operating system. You've been in this state before. Those rare moments when the noise quiets, the world fades, and your mind becomes a straight line from intention to result. This isn't magic, it isn't talent, and it definitely isn't luck. It's flow. A neurological state where your brain aligns into perfect efficiency, where effort dissolves, where productivity stops feeling like work and starts feeling like inevitability. Most people wait for flow to appear. They treat it like weather, something that comes and goes on its own terms. But high performers, they don't wait. They build flow. They trigger flow. They turn it on command. And today, you're about to learn how to do the same. Here's the wild part. Flow is not just a feeling. It's a shift in the architecture of your brain. The moment you enter flow, your mind performs a trick so powerful, it almost feels impossible. Your inner critic shuts down. Literally, a region of your brain, the prefrontal cortex, goes quiet. A phenomenon called transient hypofrontality. This is why time feels strange in flow. Minutes vanish, hours compress. Your sense of past and future dissolves. You become fully, absolutely present. And while your critic fades, your chemistry ignites. Dopamine, norepinephrine, anandamide. The neurochemical cocktail of peak performance floods your system. Your pattern recognition sharpens. Your focus intensifies. Your creativity spikes. Your mind begins operating in a frictionless state, usually reserved for world-class performers. This is how elite athletes make the impossible look easy. This is how coders push through 10-hour builds in one sitting. This is how writers lose themselves in a single paragraph that unlocks an entire chapter. This is how humans bend time. And in a moment, you'll learn how to engineer this state on command. Flow is not random. It's not mystical, and it doesn't just happen. Flow is triggered, and it requires 3 conditions. Miss even one, and flow collapses. Condition 1, clear goals. Clarity is oxygen for your mind. If you don't know what done looks like, your brain has no target to lock onto. No target equals no flow. Condition 2, immediate feedback. Your brain needs real-time signals that you're moving in the right direction. It's the psychological equivalent of runway lights. Progress creates momentum. Momentum pulls you deeper into flow. Condition 3, challenge equals skill. Flow lives in a narrow corridor between boredom and anxiety. If the task is too easy, your brain wanders. If the task is too hard, your mind freezes. But when challenge meets skill, when difficulty meets capability, your brain enters the perfect tension point where flow naturally emerges. This is the flow zone. The place where your mind becomes a clean blade, sharp, focused, effortless. If you want more frameworks that give you an edge in how you think and operate, subscribe. It's time for the reveal. Most people believe flow is accidental, a lucky moment, a rare spark. But the truth, you can flip flow like a switch if you know the code. Every high performer has their own personal launch sequence, a ritual, a mechanism, a repeatable pattern that signals the mind it's time. Because flow isn't something you wait for, It's something you activate. And the activation takes just 15 minutes. Think of it like priming a rocket. You don't simply hit launch, you run a sequence. Focus, energy, environment, ritual. One button at a time, one signal after another, until the brain clicks into alignment and flow ignites. So now, let's walk through the exact 15-minute sequence that will pull you into flow with machine-like consistency. This is the flow sequence, the 15-minute setup used by elite performers to enter laser focus on command. Step 1. The 90-minute deep work block. One mission, one objective, no multitasking, no fragmentation. Your phone goes out of reach, because even a single notification is enough to break the state. Step 2. The 3 micro goals. Your brain doesn't need a mountain, it needs the next 3 stones. 3 small wins, 3 measurable steps. Momentum is built, not found. Step 3. The trigger ritual. Same song, same scent, same coffee, same lighting. Repetition converts environment into a neurological cue. A trigger your brain recognizes instantly. A signal that says, focus now. Step 4. Ultradian rhythm. Your brain works in 90-minute waves, not 2 hours, not 4 hours, 90 minutes of deep focus, followed by 20 minutes of recovery. Ride the wave, or drown in it. Step 5. No context switching. This is the unbreakable rule. You cannot enter flow if you jump between tasks. Context switching is a cognitive reset. It erases flow. It resets your brain's momentum. It kills performance. When your attention drifts, and it will, return to the next micro goal. Return to the ritual. Return to the sequence. Flow is not about intensity. It's about continuity. Stay in the corridor, and the corridor will take you deeper. Save this. Use this. The next time your mind feels scattered, run the sequence. You are always 15 minutes away from flow. You don't need more hours. You don't need more motivation. You don't need more discipline. You need flow. A state that compresses a 10-hour day into 2 hours of clean, unstoppable output. A state that transforms your mind from reactive to precise, from scattered to engineered, from human to high performance. Master this skill and you'll stop fighting time. You'll start bending it. If you're ready to turn performance into precision, if you're ready to train your mind to work at its absolute peak, then follow at Advanced Pages. Because here, we build systems, we build structure, we build capability, we build flow. Advance faster, live smarter, and enter flow on command.